Hi everybody, my name is Sekou Umar Traore from Mali. I'm doing electronic engineering third grade. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quadcopter. First of all, we need to buy some stuff from eBay or maybe from AliExpress. These are the ends of the quadcopter, and this is the main characters from AliExpress. I bought this one, and with this I'm going to combine together to make a connection with flight controller. You can see from here we also need floaters. These are the seats for the quadcopter. Then after we need a 4 brushless DC brushless motors, which are uh, 920 kilowatts, and these are the flight controller. Like I said before, these are the chargers, and this is the remote controller. This also we need a powerful battery, which is about 11.1 volts. So this is really good for the long fly. We also need a GPS, so you can see from here, and this is a connector. We connect the battery and the others cable together to make it easier. And this is also another connector, but this is a junction for the cable and the others. We have female and male also. So first of all, to get started, I'm going to start by connecting motors on the hands of the quadcopter. So here is it. So be careful not to switch this one, because we are going to flip this one down so that we cannot see it inside.